Earlier today, we made a video from the Swing Machine showing you the four markets, the YM, which is the Dow Futures, the ES, the Russell, and the NQ. Now, trading a futures contract isn't much different than trading anything else. You can make money and you can lose money. A futures contract is leveraged. You can lose a lot of money or you can make a lot of money, just as you can with an options or a double or a triple ETF. What's nice about futures, though, is they're highly liquid. Highly liquid. It's what the banks trade. And relatively speaking, the necessary margin, the initial margin, not to say that you can't lose more, this is not a defined risk instrument, but the initial margin is in the neighborhood of $4,000 or $5,000. Now, some companies will give you intraday buying power at a fraction of that. Sometimes it's just 25% of it. But this is not a lesson about futures. This is to showcase what we're doing at the Swing Machine. Now, earlier today, I showed where the 60-minute had gone long on November 5th, November 5th, October 30th, and November 6th. This is just in the last few days. And I had shown you that we were up in these four markets approximately 15,000. One of the things that Swing Machine does beautifully, it shows you not just where you want to get in, but it helps you stay in, because you can see it's still long and it's still very strong and it's still trending up on the near trend, the distant trend, and there's literally no selling on the hour. So other folks may have, occasionally get a winning hand and will come out arbitrarily. Not here. We stayed in. 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. That's 20,000. 750 plus 150 plus 200 is almost another 1,000. But the help of Swing Machine, we knew to stay in. So the earlier video needed to be updated. It went from 15,000, you can see our Twitter stream, to 21,000. 21,000 in just a matter of an hour or two. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. We invite you to follow. We invite you to join. If you are serious about your trading and want to look at the markets in the way in which you never looked at them before. You see, because we don't draw time charts and draw a trend line and, talk about the MACD and the MACD's doing this and the 2 moving average cross the 8 moving average. And this candle's doing that and that candle's doing that. And when this does this and does that, you want to do this and you do that. And then, you make $500. And then the next time that situation happens, you lose $800. If it ever happens again, but you should have known, you should have known this was doing that because the stochastic wasn't in the right position. My God, folks, none of that crap works. None of it. None of it. The Swing Machine was developed by my wife and I after years of trading, but mainly because we come from a different background. I used to teach surgeons how to do surgery for 25 years. My wife Susan worked for IBM and for Lotus Software. But we had always been in the markets. We married our experience with our knowledge, our coding experience, our math skills, our skills at back testing and forward testing. We developed this some 10 years ago. Stock Market Caddy is about a private club. We don't give specific recommendations to buy or sell anything, but it's a place for like-minded individuals to gather and for us to help mentor you into developing a mechanical approach to the markets. Not a CNBC, not throwing this on, throwing that on. And it works not just with futures, but it works with ETFs. It works with stocks. Look at Tilray. Tilray on the hour went long 14 hours ago, November 6th at 10:30 a.m. It's up 33 points from there. Do you think a timely option would have been nice? I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. Feel free to give me a call. Real person. I'll be here. I'm here more often than not. Why? We love this. This is my passion. Right up there with golf and fly fishing. You know, sometimes it's difficult which one I want to do more. 813-758-8263. Feel free to give me a call. Let's chat.